Hi there, I'm Dr. Karen Wolf. And for those of you that don't know me, I call myself a recovering doctor. So I'm still recovering from medical school after many, many years and follow a lifestyle approach to the question of what creates health. So I did go to medical school in Australia, but I have lived in the United States for about 30 years. And my job right now is just to introduce you to one of my flagship programs called Clear the Way. And Clear the Way is a whole food eating program that I created just to be able to set a structure for cleaning up your gut. Because, as Hippocrates says, all disease begins in the gut. And a lot of people don't know that. So, and they just don't know where to begin. So, I did a structured program. It is self paced. So, you can start and stop at your own desire, and it fits in with your busy life. And it's structured around the 4 R's of functional medicine, removing things that are interfering with our gut health, things like gluten, because it is a gluten free, dairy free program. And then replacing digestive enzymes that have been uh, broken down in our body from stress, amongst other things, processed foods. So we need digestive enzymes to be able to digest our food. And then re-inoculate. I love that word, re-inoculate our microbiome, because all of these microbes living inside us do such an important job in every aspect of our health. And then the final R is repair. So repair with whole food, and know if you're going to take a supplement, what kind of supplement to take. So it is a 5-week program. And as I said, it is self-paced. So don't worry. You don't have to have pressure of time. And it is called Clear the Way, because basically it is about clearing the way to a vibrant life. Because when our gut is not healthy, we are not healthy. And it creates inflammation in our body that can show up in many different ways: chronic sinusitis, arthritis, brain fog, belly bloating. So nobody told us that we have to have a healthy gut to have a healthy weight, for example. So I hope you check out the Clear the Way program. I put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into this program, so it could be something that could be really utilized at your own pace. And I've commissioned a lot of my coaches that work for me to do different segments of Clear the Way. You'll learn about functional biomarkers. You'll learn about how to go through your house and clean up your house, detoxify your house to reduce your overall toxic load. You'll learn about Reiki and energy medicine and mindfulness and exercises to actually engage the digestive system, like hooping. Who knew? Hula hoops. So you'll be able to see me inside the program because I do a lot of the videos. And I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you utilize it so that you can have a clear path to a vibrant and healthy life, to be able to create health, which is what I am all about. Bye for now.